It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you an iPhone 13 Pro Max case by Rifle Paper Company that I love. You guys, this is a garden party in blue. That's the name of the design, and it's super cute. I love the floral detail, and I love the blue. It's gorgeous, and it does provide a very good amount of protection. You can see there's actual bumpers here on the corners, on the bottom and top, and that means if this thing takes a fall downward, these bumpers are going to add that protection. All of the buttons are enclosed except for the mute, so you have easy access, and of course you have access to connection and your speakers. Let me go ahead and show you it on. Very easy to install, and there you have it. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? I love it on my phone, which is in white and silver. You can still see that beautiful stainless steel. It has a 10-foot drop protection, which is super important to me because unfortunately, sometimes I drop my phone. It's true. There's that detail again up close and personal. You guys, if you're thinking about buying this case, don't think anymore. It's super duper cute. That's my point of view.